Hey, you? Do you like keep your health healthy? Yes, this video for you. Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you are guys doing great. Today I'm gonna share with you guys what is the benefit of strawberry and how to make strawberry smoothie. So let's get started. 44 calorie in 100 gram strawberry. So it's low calorie. It's really good for your weight loss. If you are fatty person, so it's really good for you. You should have consume it. 58 milligram vitamin C in 100 gram strawberry, so it's really good source of vitamin C. 0.2 milligram fat in 100 gram strawberry. Carbohydrate 10 milligram in 100 gram strawberry. Strawberry, good source of powerful antioxidant. Antioxidant may reduce the risk of many diseases. Strawberry can help fight cancer. In the world, most dangerous disease is cancer, so we have to consume strawberry. Strawberry good for your heart health, and strawberry regulate your blood sugar. Strawberry improve your gut health. Strawberry good source of dietary fiber. It's really good for your weight loss. Strawberry is really superfoods and it's really good for our health. So while you're living, no problem. A strawberry is globally available. So now I'm going to make strawberry smoothie. So let's check it out. Juice is ready, guys. See, what's the color? Strawberry. Wow, strawberry with milk. So let's check it out. Nice color. Wow, smoothie is ready, guys. Yes, it's really nice taste. If you are new here today, so please subscribe my channel, and if you already subscribe my channel, thank you so much. And if you think it's helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Eat well, live well.